In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a 1-month update on my Dimo miners. I will show you exactly how much money I have made and what I plan on doing with all the tokens that I have mined so far. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and let's jump straight into it. As you guys know, a month ago, I officially received my Dimo miners. I initially ordered these miners back in February of 2022, and it almost took them a full year to deliver my miners. Now they are here, and they are mining and making me some money. For all of you that have never heard about the Dimo miners, they are literally miners that you hook up into your vehicle and they earn you money. They also provide a ton of other awesome benefits. With the Dimo miner, you'll be able to simply connect it into your vehicle. You'll be able to gauge the health and performance of the vehicle that you are driving. They will also provide you with the value of how much your vehicle is worth and provide a ton of opportunities to help you save even more money on maintenance and on other things as well. Best of all, the entire time, you'll be earning Dimo tokens and making some passive income in the process. Obviously, Dimo is a new project and their token recently launched, but in my opinion, they have a very bright future ahead. Also, with the Dimo miner, you'll be able to track the locations of your vehicles. Let's say you have 2 or 3 vehicles and you have the Dimo miner installed on all of them. You'll be able to track their locations live inside of the Dimo app. One other thing that I like about Dimo is you are able to track the health of your vehicle. You'll be able to see how your fuel is doing. If you have a check engine light or you need maintenance, Dimo will let you know. Obviously, this feature is still in development, but hopefully soon it will get released and we will be able to take full advantage of it. You will also be able to update your title, registration, insurance, all inside of the Dimo app for easy access. Also, depending on the vehicle that you have, you can get the keyless feature, and with every vehicle that you connect to the Dimo, you will get a free NFT. Also, maintenance logging and the activity log are on the way. And now let's go inside of the app so I can show you exactly how many free Dimo tokens I have received so far. Now we are inside of the app, and as you can see, the first vehicle that is connected has about 50% of gas in the tank. And when we scroll down, you will see that the battery is fully charged and the market value of this vehicle is only $6,200. And then when you press fleet, you'll be able to see the vehicles that you have connected. If you have more than one vehicle, both of the vehicles will show up. And now let's go to the rewards. When we click on rewards, you are able to see exactly how many tokens that I have received so far. As you can see, I have 27,855 Dimo tokens. This is after 1 month of having my Dimo miners connected. And when we click on the little clock in the corner, you will see the breakdown. On week 1, I only earned 666 Dimo tokens. That was because only one of my Dimo miners was connected to a vehicle. On week 2, I earned 1,168 Dimo tokens. Week 3, 1,085. And week 4, 1,013 Dimo tokens. As you can see, every single week, the baseline reward goes lower and lower. That is how the token was designed. So the more people connect their miners, the less and less the baseline rewards are going to become as time goes on. Now you're wondering, how in the world did I get 27,000 Dimo tokens? Well, I qualified for the Dimo airdrop. Some people got 100,000 free Demos, some got 50,000, others got 20,000. It all depends on your situation and when you ordered and when you connected your Demo miners. As you can see, the next baseline drop is in 2 days. So in 2 days, I will get even more free Demo tokens. And when we scroll down, you will see the 2 vehicles that I have connected so far. And then right below, you will see other benefits that could potentially save you a ton of money, such as Vehicle Genie, 10 net. So if you are looking to refinance your vehicle and get a lower monthly payment, make sure you check out these features. Also, Car Bureau, error codes, And one of the features that I think is going to be a huge hit is the Dimo Connect. With the Dimo Connect, you'll be able to turn your miner into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So if you like to travel and you want to have Wi-Fi on the go, Dimo Connect will solve that problem. It will allow you to have Wi-Fi in your vehicle. And now let me show you exactly how much money I have made so far. Now we are on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Dimo is up 3.2%. The current price is just over 5 cents. Now we are going to scroll down to see the chart. As you can see, this is 1 day, 7 day, and the 1 month chart. All the other ones are all the same because the Dimo token recently launched less than a month ago. As you can see, it had an initial spike all the way to 8 cents. Then it pulled back. Now it is steadily climbing higher and higher. The fully diluted market cap is 54 million and the 24-hour trading volume is very low at 28,000. As you saw inside of my Dimo app, I have 27,855 Dimo tokens. And if I was to sell at the current price, which is 0.05448, I will be able to get $1,517. That is not bad whatsoever. So if I sold all of my tokens right now, I'll be able to pay for both of the Dimo miners and I will pocket $700 in profit. That is not including all the future tokens that my Dimo miners are going to mine. The investment that I made into Dimo is definitely paying off and making some profits. So what is my strategy going forward? As of right now, I have not sold a single Dimo token. And personally, I don't plan on selling any of them anytime soon. My plan is to stack up on as much Dimo tokens as I possibly can. As time goes by, the baseline rewards are going to get smaller and smaller. I know a lot of people are selling and taking profits, and I don't blame them. $1,500 of free money is definitely worth it. But personally, $1,500 is not going to change my life in any way. I want to make even more profits. Call me greedy, I don't care. So I will not be selling any of my Dimo tokens in this bear market. My goal is to accumulate as much as possible, hopefully 100,000 Dimo, 200,000, and maybe even more. And hopefully when the bull run returns, the price of Dimo will be way higher and I'll be able to cash out a lot more money. Obviously, this is 100% a gamble and nobody can predict the future. Who knows? Dimo can go to $1, maybe $2, $5, possibly even $10. But it can also remain flat. It can drop down to a penny. Nobody knows as of right now. But personally, I am definitely willing to take the risk. Also, unlike other crypto miners, I don't have to worry about electricity. I don't have to worry about messing with the miner or any of that stuff. You simply plug it into your vehicle, set it and forget it, and every single week you'll be earning some free tokens. If you really look at it, every single week I'm receiving just over 1,000 Dimo tokens. At the current price, that is over $50 a week of passive income. So that concludes this quick Dimo update. If you have any questions about the Dimo miners, drop them in the comment section below. I will be making future updates as well, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. Alright everybody, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.